Hello, today we are showing how the STUDBITE Multi Fix Bracket can be installed. Now the Multi Fix Bracket can be installed in a variety of ways. You can fasten it to your soffit, you can fasten it to a wall or purlins, and you can also, lapping your bracket around the threaded rod, you get your retrofit clamp and feed it through. You then simply fasten your STUDBITE screw into position. Now that can be used on the inside or on the outside of your trapeze. Now another way that your STUDBITE Multi Fix Bracket can be installed is as a cantilever bracket. So where you have your counterbalance line, you slide it up an existing bit of rod and simply double nut it so it is fixed into position, and there you have your cantilever bracket.